Hey there! Today I'm going to be demonstrating some hairstyles I do using my favorite products. I'm currently in the process of moving, so I've been neglecting my hair the past week, but no worries because Mielle Organics has me covered. So now I'm going to use Mielle's Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. So after I wet my hair, I put a little of the shampoo in, get it all throughout my hair, then we rinse it out. And then I'm just gonna shampoo it one more time just to make sure everything's out and it's clean, and then rinse it one more time. I love the shampoo because it smells good, the texture feels good, and it gets all of the buildup out on the first try. I do 2 shampoo cycles just to make sure my hair is completely clean. This is how my hair looks once it's dry. Now I will add the pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair. Just going back to make sure I didn't miss any spots. Now I'm going to add the pomegranate and honey curl smoothie. All I'm doing here is applying it in 4 sections throughout my hair. This stuff is amazing. Look how my hair eats it up. Y'all see them curls? Look at those curls. Yes. I'm lightly blow drying my hair on the lowest and coolest setting because I need a cute style to run a few errands. Lastly, I'm going to use the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. I'm going to apply 4 to 5 drops to 4 sections of my hair, and we will see the final look. Ooh wee! Y'all see that? She cute. Now tell me that's not cute. Once I know I'm in for the day, I put in my pomegranate and honey twisting souffle so I can wear a twist out and bantu knot out the next day. I'm going to part my hair into 8 to 10 sections, twist them, then do bantu knots. Next, I'll be applying Rosemary Mint Strengthening Edge Gel. Here's the final look. Later that night, I decided I'd rock a braid out the next day with perm rods on the ends. I only use the curl smoothie. Now I'm going to use the rosemary mint oil to decrease the frizz during takedown and slay my edges with the rosemary mint edge gel. For the hair oil, only add 4 or 5 drops to your fingertips and rub them together and just take the braids down. Okay, and here is our third look. Just gorgeous. So I was trying to achieve a hang out with your girls or go to brunch look. So what I'm doing is bantu knots. You're just gonna twirl the hair around itself and then wrap it around in a little knot to make the bantu knot. I forgot to add that all that I used was the curl smoothie, and I held the knots with bobby pins. These came out super cute. I finished the style by adding the rosemary mint oil. The next night I add the rosemary edge control, then I add the strengthening oil, and I take the hair down. Look how nice and defined those coils are. I'm going to leave those 2 bantu knots up there because I think they add to the look. So to achieve this hot mama look, all I did was brush out the last style and add rosemary mint oil to each bantu knot, did the bantu knots, and here's the takedown look. For our final style, I'm going to use the pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner after I spray my entire hair down. Then all I use is the pomegranate and honey coil sculpting custard. I love this product. If you've ever made your own flaxseed custard, that's exactly how this feels, and it smells so good and it defines those curls. Look at that. Girl, the best part about this product is that when it dries, the curls look the exact same and my hair is still soft. And you know we can never finish a look without Mielle's Rosemary Mint Edge Gel. Here's the final look. I decided to do a ponytail to show off my popping curls and flat edges. I hope you enjoyed these mini tutorials of my favorite hairstyles to do with Mielle products. Comment down below which was your fave.